Hey everyone friends, Velar here. Today I'll show how to add sound to a block in Roblox Studio. First, let's create a block. Here it is. Next, we need a sound. Go to the toolbox and choose Model or Audio. Let's pick crickets, for example. Download the sound and move it under our model. Now we need the sound. We need to make it loop and play. Let's enter the game. Now we can hear the sound. See? If we move away, the sound gets quieter. We can adjust this by selecting the sound and increasing the volume. This way it will play across the whole map. We can also make it play faster or slower. That's all. This was Velar. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.